This gown looks instantly red carpet ready.
This advertisement has no lights, no props, and no real people. Okay, now let's take a look at how to make such an advertisement. Click to enter the Fotor official website. Scroll down to find the function you need and click to enter. Then find the template you need in the template library. Click to select it. Then replace the custom image with your product image. Fill in the prompt in this area so that it can understand the advertising style you want. Then you can choose the proportion and duration of the advertisement video that you want. Finally, click the Generate button. Then you will get an advertising video like this.
This gown looks instantly red carpet ready. The pearl detailing and sculpted fit feel incredibly luxurious. It's made for unforgettable entrances.
If you want to unlock more styles, please click to subscribe to Fotor.